Billy Evans is flying the pastel blue colour aircraft. That is, of course, the unmistakable Rebel Pro. This baby's got a JETCAT 180 in it. Awesome. MB339 with the Canadian Air Force colours. Of course, the Aeromacchi MB339 is what it should be. It's an Italian trainer. This is a light aircraft, light attack aircraft, and they're going to go in tandem together. So let's have a look at this. So Billy Evans to power on first, and then here we go. This is jet. That's a gentleman called Paul Smith. Tender age of 48 years old. He's from Headcourt in Kent. Flies for the Big Modern Flying Club. Sponsored by POWERBOX. He's got his own printing company in this here. A company called printbig.co.uk. You do business cards then? He loves his flying, he does, and this is his most favourite aircraft. This is, of course, the Piroti Rebel Pro.
So hard.
So a lot of people get too confused between the MB339 and the Hawk. Yes, they do look very, very similar, don't they? But one is true British design. This is an Italian military trainer. First went into production and service in 1979, and these things were adopted by many air forces across the world, including, of course, the Italian Air Force, the Royal Malaysian Air Force, Nigerian Air Force had these things as well. So originally from the 70s, this is in fact the Lockheed Aeromacchi MB339. In other words, believe it or not, the MB339 is one of the only military aircrafts that are still in service today. They're first, as I said, first introduced in the late 1970s, and I say still in production and still flown across the world today. That's the MB339. That's a great flight there for Mike Donnelly. Well done, Mike.
Nice one, mate. Yo, yo, yo. Well done, mate.
Just looking at Billy Evans, literally blowing straight into the pilot's face. So to come in on a side slip like that, he'd have to do real slow stuff. But if you go slow, you get caught out with the wing, but it's all right. Billy's down.